Hey, Red Babes. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ro. And if this is your first time on our video, make sure you subscribe and like and comment down below whatever you want to see or whatever you like about our videos and become a part of our rare community. And also turn on your bell's notification if you want to know every time that I post. And today we are stuffing over $2,500 today. This is actually 2 checks in one. And yeah, I know this video is probably going to be long. Oh, and we're also finishing our 100 envelope challenge today. Yes, we are, babe. So let's get into it. Okay, so we're going to start off with our purple binder today. Medical is getting $5. So medical has 500. So now medical has $505. And you guys, I ordered some 500 placeholders, and tell me why they are like kid size. So I'm gonna use them until I order some other ones because yeah, I really need to get a lot of this money out of this house. Savings, I don't think savings is getting anything. No, savings is not getting stuffed. Vacation is getting 40. I know I've been out. I know I've been having a lot going on. Vacation has 1, 2, 300, 350, 400, 20, 40. And I also bought some purple budget sheets. I can't wait to change them. Probably gonna change them after this video. Car fund is getting 25. I also need to do a convincing video as well, guys. So car fund now has 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 1,000, 10, 25. So $1,025 in car fund. And also need to take some of this money out because I just bought some windshield wipers. Holiday is getting 10. And it only has 50, so I'm going to just add a 10. So now it has 60. Savings challenges is getting $147. Yeah. So we're going to break that down. So 20, 40, 10, 20, 30, 40. So that is 80. We're going to do 2 5s. 85, 90. 90 and 100. 110. 130. Let's do another one. 130. 140. I don't know why I did it like this. 140. 145. 46. 47. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130. Oh, I think I did an extra 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47. I was right. I just counted it wrong. Okay. Thought about starting all of my sinking funds over for the new year. I know I'm kind of late, but I don't know if I want to do it or not. Honestly, I might just put it in the bank and just let it do what it do. Okay, Apple isn't getting anything. Hulu is getting $6. And I pay for Hulu on a yearly because I save money and I just pay for it, so it doesn't have that much in it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. $18 in Hulu. And my car insurance is getting $140 as usual. And I'm not going to count it. I'm just going to put it in here. And it's going to become due as well. I have to make one for life insurance because I just put my life insurance on a yearly as well. And I haven't made one for it yet. So it's getting 36. I'm going to put it to the side. 20, 30, 35, 36. Okay, and that's it for our purple binder. Next, we're going to move over to our yellow binder. Okay, so I haven't made an envelope for this one yet, but I think it's really cute. So $100 is going into 1 month. And I originally I had $300 in here, but I had to, my grandpa needed to borrow some money, so I gave it to him out of here. So yeah, I'll be replacing it once he pays me back. Miscellaneous is getting 50. So now I have 51, 50, I don't know, 51, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100, and 50. So 150. Gifts is getting 20. So now gifts has 152, 20, 40, 60, 80, 3, 20. Gifts have 320. But I might start them all over. I don't know if I want to do that on camera or off camera. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think, if you guys want to see me just starting all my envelopes over. My Clobug is getting 50. So now she has 51, 50, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 350. Debt is not getting stuffed. I already paid half of it, but I forgot I had this, so I need to put this on my card so I can pay it, but I'm gonna do that later. So it's not getting anything because I already paid the debt that I have. Clothing is getting 50. And it should have 300. So we have 51, 52, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 350. And I think I bought some clothes. I did. So I'm going to have to take the money out and pay myself back. I started me a buffer account, and I think I really like that easier because I can keep track of all of my receipts and stuff, because I feel like I'll be forgetting sometimes, but I'm not really sure. So now I feel like I'm starting it this month, so it's kind of a trial and error right now. Beauty is getting 100 and it already has 50, so that's 150. Business is getting 50 as well. And I think I just bought some stuff, so it's back at 100. So it's back at 100. So now it's at 150. Student loans isn't getting nothing from this check. And my groceries, I usually, since I get paid by monthly, I put everything in here and then I just switch it over to my wallet whenever I get the chance. So groceries is getting 150. Oh, it was already open. So I'm gonna do 150. I'm not gonna wait to do this because your girl need gas and I just haven't been able to get none. We're doing $2.50 in gas. And then I'm gonna do a 20 and 2 5s. 20, 40, 45, 50. So $2.50. Like, why can't I tell if it's open or not? Okay, and house is getting 60. And I want to buy a new bathroom set, so I'm putting more in here this month. Okay, and that is it for our yellow binder. Debt is actually the envelope that I'm changing to taxes. That's why it's money in here. So it's getting 100. No, I wasn't tripping. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, $500. Yeah, I really need to get a lot of this out of here. Okay, and that is it for our binder. Now we're moving over to the surprise that I have for you guys. Forgot that savings is getting money. It's getting $70. So guys, we are finishing our envelope challenge today, 100 envelope challenge. I'm super excited about this. Hopefully I counted my change right. I counted my money right. It should be right, but we're gonna hope so. So let's go and get to stuffing. So we're putting $45 in here. Started it back in August, so it's only been what, 6 months maybe? August, September, October, November, December, January. Oh, 5 months. My goal was 6 months, so I have hit that goal pretty easily. much? This one is 66, so it should get 70, 50, 70. And our last envelope of the day is 68, and it's getting 70 as well. 50, 60, 50, 60, 65, 70. 50, 60, 65, 70. Yeah. Okay, guys, and that is it. So, I don't know why I always have money left. Like, who knows at this point? So, we have $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10 left. So, I'll probably add this into one of my savings challenges and put that there. Because I really don't know where this came from, honestly. So, we're just going to put that over here. Alrighty, guys, and that is it for this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next in our next video, which is going to be our unstuffing of the 100 envelope challenge. I can't wait for you guys, and I know you guys can't wait neither. So yeah, and we'll see you next video. Bye, rare babes.